What's going on, guys? This is your boy Hana BKT. So this is what I'm gonna show you this way. This is the old one. So you get a 2-inch and you shave it down, just like Mud Puppy shows in all of his videos. You mill it down so it can fit into the air box. So we have ours put into, or mine put into air box already. And so from there we have that little fitting that goes in that you mill down to a 45, to a street 45, to a street 22.5, and then we run, what is that, 8-inch pipe?
Oh yeah,
about an 8-inch pipe, 8 to 9-inch pipe. Then we run a 45 going up with a little piece about 2 inches to fit to another 45, and then to that 45 you get a 14-inch piece. Well, for me it's 14-inch. Let me get that light. So now you got the 14-inch piece that goes to there, to a 90 up to my hole, and then I will be running a bigger snorkel with the 90, and then everything else like that. So when the bike is when we're time to glue, I'll come back. All right, so now we're gluing. And the way I'm running it, guys, it clears my 32s. It's in?
Mm-hmm. Under there.
Alright. That smells kind of orangey too.
Yeah, I know.
Okay. I hope this will work.
Citrus flavored.
Yeah, right? Do you think I'm gonna get a LG copyright strike now?
Yeah, probably.
Alright, so now we got that going. Now we'll get this fitting going.
Put this on the other ones, but I put a lot in there.
And we also marked the PVC so we know where it needs to be lined up. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a lot of glue, man. That's gonna have a nice seal. Oh. Okay. So let's actually measure that real quick. We got a tape measure right here in my hand. Okay, so
About an 8-inch.
8-inch, exactly 8 inches.
That's what I give her every night. Look, I just did this today.
Oh, you're getting on my motor, man.
Oh, it's all good, dude. It'll seal up that oil leak you have.
Yeah, right? Actually, I do have an oil leak, the rear seal. Boom.
Nice seal on there, too. Got a sweet little seal on that bad boy.
And now we're going to another 45. Correct?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Another 45. Little glue never hurt.
No.
Ooh, got a tripper.
Mm. Boom. Get that in. Oh, perfect. Now this is gonna be probably a little bit hard for me to record. Unless I come over here. and then we ran a little, what, 2-inch piece to another 45?
Yeah.
To another 45 to go right there, and then, and that is
1 foot.
1 foot.
Looks like 1 and an 8. But it's,
I would put a little bit more.
well, I still got to put some in that too. Too.
Okay, and then now we glue the 90.
Yep. I don't know if I got the 90 mark. Oh, I do. Hold on. That.
Yep.
Wasn't somebody supposed to come and help you do this other than me? Wasn't Brandon gonna do it for you?
Yeah, he was, but he's busy. He just bought a new house and everything.
Oh, nice. Good for him.
Yeah. And then I think he's about to get a side-by-side, a 4-seater.
Nice.
And another bike. I'm not too sure. But yeah, as soon as he gets another bike or side-by-side.
We should have cut that.
What? I'll cut this?
Yeah.
Alright, so now we gotta, I have it marked, or not marked, but we're gonna take off, we're gonna cut it like right there. This is a decent video for y'all. I know it's not the best DIY, but I have not seen one video of someone actually showing how to piece a snorkel together. So hopefully this can help y'all, and this way it actually clears.
There you go.
There we go. It's in. Yeah.
And then
Right there. Okay, that's holding it. Snorkel's kind of crooked, but not much. Boom. Then I can put a little piece and cut it in an angle.
yeah.
So like, yeah, see, I cut that in an angle.
Yeah. Well, you want it to come out?
But yeah, but yeah, only a little bit. And then go from there. And then this time I am running my vent lines up through on the snorkel. I'm not going to put them in my pod anymore. I'm planning on going super deep this time. Just like that. Curve over. This might be in the way of my plastic, but I'm not too sure. I'm about to test fit that. But if it is kind of in the way, I'm not too worried. But it goes up. I kind of feel like we should have put another like 22 right here in a way, because I feel like it bows out.
Yeah.
I'm gonna turn my wheel
Did.
if I can. Clears
From both sides for sure.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yep, clears both way. That's all that matters. All that clears. So that is a way you snorkel a bike. But yeah, there you have it. Boom. So about 3-inch, 2-inch piece, 2 to 3 inch piece milled down to fit into the sleeve, to a 45, to a street 45, to a street 22.5, to a 8-inch, to
2 more 45s.
2 more 45s with a little piece in the center, to a 12-inch piece of PVC to a 90, from a 90 the top mount. And then if you guys know how to make brackets to hold it and whatnot, that would be pretty darn straight right here. That's how you snorkel a 2017 Honda Foreman 500. Yes sir.